Are you thinking there's no way I can sell my home in its current condition? It's in desperate need of a remodel, but I don't have the money, the time, or the resources to get it done. Well, good news, my friend. Continue watching and I'll reveal how we can make it happen for zero money. Yes, zero money out of pocket. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. Hi there, Karie Hall with Homes by Karie. In today's market, with the increased inventory, it has given buyers more options than in previous years. This means as a homeowner, you may not be able to ignore the updates or the repairs that may not have been necessary in previous years. To stand out in today's market, sellers need to make their homes attractive to buyers, which usually means some remodeling or some selective updates. Here are a few before and after photos which increase the value of the home substantially, putting additional money in the seller's pocket after closing. For example, you could do new flooring, remodel the kitchen, bathrooms, update light fixtures, interior and exterior paint. All of this can be done prior to going on the market, and the best part is you do not have to pay a dime until we close. Buyers are wanting move-in ready homes. So let's get your home move-in ready. Contact me today and let's go over the renovations needed to optimize the sale of your home, putting more cash in your pocket at closing. I'm Karie Hall with Homes by Karie. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Make it a great day.